In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can try Seedance 2.5 for just $1.
I am so obsessed with my new thermos. The handle is so comfortable to hold, and it keeps my drink cold for hours.
So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI that have an offer that you can try the platform for just $1. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And well, after you create the account, remember it's just $1, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here be sure that you are using the model Seedance 2.5. So now let's click here, and in duration you can do videos up to 30 seconds, but I'm going to use only 10 seconds for this tutorial. So now I'm going to do a little ad of a thermos, so we have to click here and upload the image of our product. So let's click here, and now here I'm going to use a very simple prompt. That way you can see that when even you use simple prompts, the results are really good. So now here, let's paste this prompt, and now we have to click here. Now click in generate, and now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I am so obsessed with my new thermos. The handle is so comfortable to hold, and it keeps my drink cold for hours.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the result. So if you want to try this platform, and actually to try this model, Seedance 2.5, for just $1, remember that you can do it in NovoAds AI. So well, I recommend you to try the platform, and see you in the next video.